Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make high quality foamy dishwashing liquid soap. Here are the ingredients we'll be working with, all measured out according to the requirements of the recipe. I will list out the exact quantity of each ingredient used as we proceed with the video. This is our water. It is about 90 liters here, but we are going to be needing more than that. I'm going to use part of it to dissolve all my powdered ingredients. Before we begin, safety first. Please follow this precaution carefully. Always wear your rubber gloves, protection goggles, and a nose mask to protect your skin, eyes, and lungs from chemical reaction. Most chemical detergents, especially sulfonic acid and sodium hydroxide, releases fumes. Work in an open space or well-ventilated room. I start by dissolving 50 grams of sodium hydroxide in 40 ml of water and set aside. In another bucket, I combine 500 ml of sulfonic acid and 500 grams of Texapon, set to combine and set aside. You can as well dissolve your 500 grams of Texapon in 1 liter of warm water separately. In another bucket, I dissolve 300 grams of SLS in 1 liter of water. You don't have to stir it, just leave it on the stove. It dissolves in about 20 to 30 minutes so as to prevent excess foam formation during soap making. Now, dissolve 250 grams of soda ash in 750 ml of water and set aside. Next, dissolve 200 grams of STPP in 500 grams of water and set aside. Next, dissolve 250 grams of sodium sulfate in 750 ml of water and set aside. Now, dissolve 50 grams of benzoate in 30 ml of water and set aside. And now that we are done dissolving all our powder ingredients, let's start our production. We start by dissolving 80 grams of nitrosol in the remaining water and pour it gradually and stir continuously so as to prevent clumps. And make sure it dissolves completely before adding the next ingredient. Now add the dissolved sodium hydroxide, also known as light solution, and stir to combine. Now add the soda ash solution and stir well to combine. Make sure to add each ingredient gradually as you stir continuously. Now add the STPP solution and stir to combine. Now add in your sulfonic acid and Texapon solution and stir well to combine. The stirring time will take you between 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the Texapon is properly dissolved. To avoid this, kindly dissolve your Texapon in 1 liter of warm water. Now add in your SLS solution and stir well to combine. Next, go in with sodium sulfate and stir well to combine. Now add in 250 ml of Cocamide. This is our foam booster. And stir well to combine for like 15 minutes. Now add in the benzoate, which is our preservative, and stir to combine. Add in 30 ml of glycerin and stir well to combine. Finally, add in about 10 ml of fragrance and stir for like 5 minutes. Then cover and leave on the stove for about 14 hours. I'm letting my own sit overnight and see what we got the following day. This is very thick. I mean super thick. Remember I told you we are going to need more water than this. But before then, let's add our preferred color and mix well to combine. This is totally optional. You can actually leave it like this. If it is what you prefer, add a little at a time and mix to see if it is enough before adding more. Please do not add too much color to soap to avoid color bleeding. Now let's share it equally into 2 buckets and add more water. This is where you want to control the thickness of your liquid detergent. Now gradually top them up with clean water and stir well to combine after each addition until you achieve your desired consistency. Now cover them and allow to settle for about 2 hours. And here you have it. Our highly foaming dishwashing liquid detergent is ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tutorials like this. Have any question or your own tips for making dishwashing liquid? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.